Hello everyone, my name is Gurjapon Rasatham. You can call me Nitras. I'm in grade 1 in Intensive English program at the Babitit School. Today, I'm very happy to talk about Christmas. Christmas is a very special day. It is on December 25th every year. On this day, people celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christmas is a time of love, joy, and kindness. Many people decorate their homes with beautiful lights, stars, and Christmas trees. Families and friends give gifts to each other and say, Merry Christmas! Children love this day because they wait for Santa Claus to bring presents. We can hear Christmas songs everywhere, and everyone feels happy and excited. In some countries, people play in the snow, make snowmen, and drink hot chocolate. I like drink hot chocolate. In Thailand, we don't have snow, but we still celebrate Christmas with fun and smile. We can decorate our classroom, sing Christmas songs, and share gifts with friends. Christmas is not only about presents or decoration. It is about sharing, caring, and being kind to others. When we help our friends say thank you and make people smile, that is the real meaning of Christmas. I love Christmas because it makes everyone happy and bring people together. Let's celebrate Christmas with love, joy, and peace in our hearts. Merry Christmas, everyone! Thank you for listening. Goodbye!